Thank you for buying this donation box from FixtureDisplays.com. This header, when inserting, is designed for a tighter fit, and also is a piece of plastic heat bent, so it would have a curve somewhere. And if you insert this way, it wouldn't want to go in the bottom slot because it has a slight curve. But if you turn that and insert it this way, it becomes a lot easier to go in. Where is it? Okay, and it still doesn't go in very well. Going halfway, just you know, do a little shaking action. Kind of shake this a little bit, and it will go in. The tighter fit is desirable because of keeping this header piece as straight as possibly can. Thank you. If you have any questions, let us know. This is a quick introduction how this would be put together easily, and you can start using them to collect money. Thank you. Bye.